Former EFF Member of Parliament and spokesperson Boyiseni Ndlozi has dismissed a viral social media post that falsely claims to be from him, calling it fake news. The post, which has been circulating on X, makes serious allegations about EFF leader Julius Malema. It claims that Malema received help with his studies, mishandled party funds, and betrayed close allies. However, these claims remain unverified. Ndlozi has made it clear that the account responsible for the post is impersonating him and does not represent his views. He distanced himself from the content and warned against the spread of misinformation. The situation has sparked strong reactions online, with social media users debating both the claims and the growing problem of fake accounts spreading misleading information. The letter reads as follows: Julius Malema is pushing us too far, and we don't want to call a media conference to expose him. How he failed matric would work dismally, how Dalimpofu used his connections at UNISA to ensure that he was registered for a BA degree without matric, how myself and Fred Shibambu did all his UNISA's assignments, how we got someone to write exams for him till honors level. We have evidence of how Kenny Kunene brought funds from the drug dealers to fund the formation of EFF before Mazzotti took over. We don't want to expose Julius Malema on how he betrayed his best and close friend boy Mamabulo by getting married to his fiancée, the same boy Mamabulo who took the flak for him when he was in trouble with the law, when millions of taxpayers' money were channeled to Ratanang Trust from Limpopo provincial government under the premiership of Castle Matali. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.